Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and this time I'll be using the quick measure application to take measurements for a replacement bathroom door. Okay, so I've got the phone here and I've got my notepad and pen. So I'm just gonna open up the AR Zone application. And down here you'll find quick measure. Okay, so this is an old bathroom door. So I'm going to take the measurements and then I can get a new replacement door. Okay, so I've opened up quick measure. So we're going to start at the starting point down here. So this is the target starting point, and we're going to measure the length to begin with. Okay, so we're just going to slowly work our way up to the top. You don't want to go too fast, guys, or else it will stop. Just take your time. Okay, so we can stop right there. No, in fact, go up a bit more. Okay, so we're at the top. So we can hit the little plus sign there to stop it. So that's the end point. And then now we're gonna do the width. So once again, we start at the target point down here. And then we can stop right there in the corner. So press the little plus. So we've got the end point added. Okay, so now I can write down the measurements in my sketchbook. Okay guys, so the length was 203 centimeters. So I'm going to write that down in the sketchbook. Length 203 centimeters. Okay, so now we're just gonna double check the width again. Okay, so the width is 69 centimeters. So I can go ahead and write that down in the sketchbook. (69 centimeters). So yeah, I've just taken the measurements for my door replacement. Using the quick measure on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's quite a handy tool. Anyway guys, I thought I'd just show you how to use it. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. I'm out. Deuces. See you in the next one. More S23 Ultra videos on the way, guys.